everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today we are going to be doing part 1 of my fall decorating, so I hope that you enjoy it. Please make sure to like and subscribe, and let's go ahead and get started. So before I could start decorating for fall, I wanted to bring down anything that was summer related and just leave all of the neutral decor, but I figured I would take this time also to let you guys know all of the drama that's been going on here at my house. We had a flood take over our master bedroom, and it ruined our already messed up floors pretty bad, to the point where we had to take them all off. We had some damages towards the wall because of the water, so we had to open everything up. We did go through our insurance, so they took care of all of that for us, but then we decided to just hire our own contractor to do the rest, because they were only going to cover the bedroom, and we figured since we're already going to replace the floors in the bedroom, let's just do the whole house. So I'm pretty excited about that. It's just that it's going to take a really long time. Currently, we are all sleeping in the living room. This is our situation here. And we have this huge, I don't know what it's called, like a storage bin outside of our house with all of the things that were in the bedroom. So it's been a really long process. We haven't got anything done. We did get new windows, which I was excited about that, but it's still going to be a long ways before we're anywhere near finished. The contractor that we hired is my husband's friend, so he's really busy right now, so he's only going to come to work whenever he can. So we're going to be living like this for a hot minute, and the only place that isn't terrible right now is my kitchen, so that's going to be the only place that I decorate this year for fall. So I'm gonna try and milk it as much as I can. So I'm gonna try to bring out at least 3 fall videos for you guys, but just be patient with me. So now for the fun part, I'm gonna start off by decorating my countertops. I figured I decorate like each section at a time. The next video that I bring out, it's probably going to be my open shelves and also my stove area, because I didn't get a chance to decorate it in this video. So make sure you're subscribed so that you don't miss out on that video. But I'm going to go ahead and start off here. I'm going to make this area into my little coffee station. For the most part, everything I've had from previous years, with the exception of that arrangement that you just saw. I purchased it this year from Target. I don't know, I just thought it was so pretty. And then this little cute house is new as well. It's from Hobby Lobby, but I think everything else I've already had.
You can't turn the tide, let the water go where it wants to go. Yourself beneath the stones. Somebody told me don't pretend, 'cause everyone could use a friend sometimes. Take some good advice. Don't let your fear decide. That's how you break inside.
I'm gonna be switching up this little section here just a tiny little bit. I forgot that I wanted to add some wooden spoons that I had gotten from Hobby Lobby, but I still wanted to leave these clips in because I don't know, I just thought it was so pretty the way it all came out.
I can feel the sun and how the wind makes way across the fields. Let me take a breath.
So I'm not going to be doing much here where my TV is. I'm just going to add this really pretty plug-in that I got from Walmart this year. And then I'm going to go ahead and add a screensaver to my TV here. Just kind of make it all part of the decorations. After that, I'm adding this really cute mirror that I purchased from Amazon. I'll make sure to link it down below. It's more Halloween related, but I'm gonna leave it off until Halloween gets closer. And then I'm adding a pumpkin candle that is also from Walmart. With all the drama going on with the floors, I completely forgot to tell you guys that my kids started school. My youngest is in TK now, and I went to orientation last week. They gave me all of his little things that he was going to be needing. My daughter is so excited about her little brother going to school. She looks forward to dropping him off and picking him up. It's the cutest thing ever. I'm a little emotional, but so far he's doing really good, so I'm grateful for that. But anyhow, we're just going to go ahead and move on over to the other side of the countertops here. I'm not doing much. I'm just adding an arrangement, a candle, and just a fruit basket that has no fruit because I haven't gone to the market. All right, so I'm quickly switching this little area up. As much as I loved it, I really wanted to add the little spoons, and it just made more sense to have the spoons in this area here that's next to the coffee maker as opposed to the other side.
Hey, I wish you could see yourself just sitting there on my chair. I'm staring at you, you don't even notice. Should've told you straight away, you don't have to be afraid anymore. I know you haven't noticed. You'll know, you'll know.
So the very last thing that I'm going to do is switch out my spray bottle. I'm going to switch it out for this amber glass one because I felt like it was more fall related. And I'm still on the hunt for the Mrs. Meyer's fall scents. None of my stores have them out yet, so I'm just going to use whatever I have for now. But as far as decorating, that's pretty much it for today's video. I hope that you guys enjoyed it and got some type of inspo. Make sure that you're subscribed because I think my next video is going to be the other side of my kitchen where I used to have my coffee machine. I'm actually thinking about putting my mixer because I started using it again. So I don't know, I haven't figured it out. So make sure you're subscribed. That way you don't miss out on the rest of my fall videos. Thank you again for being patient with me. I know I'm taking a little bit longer to bring out all the fall content, but I hope that you guys understand. With that being said, I hope you enjoy the video. God willing, I will talk to you all in the next video. Bye.